Once again, I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In the video that I am about to present to you, I will explain about the Bermuda Triangle, the unexplained mystery of the sea. Stay with me for the next few minutes to understand the purpose of this video. I have a question for you. Are you ready? If your answer is affirmative, then all that remains is to give it a go. The Bermuda Triangle is one of the most enigmatic and debated regions on the planet, fueling the public imagination and conspiracy theories for decades. Located between the islands of Bermuda, Puerto Rico, and Miami, this territory covers a vast area of the Atlantic Ocean, which, over the decades, has witnessed unexplained disappearances of ships and aircraft. But what exactly is the Bermuda Triangle? Is it an area where the laws of physics seem to no longer function normally, or is it just a collection of coincidences and myths fueled by the media and popular literature? We will explore all aspects of this subject, analyzing the history, theories, investigations, and recent discoveries that have brought more questions than answers. One definition of the Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle is usually defined as a geographical area located in the Atlantic Ocean between three major points: Miami, United States; Bermuda, a British territory in the Caribbean; and Puerto Rico. This area forms an equilateral triangle, covering approximately 1.1 million square kilometers. Public interest in the Bermuda Triangle has been heightened by the numerous cases of aircraft and ships disappearing in this region, many of them without a trace, giving rise to some of the most unusual theories. It is estimated that over 1,000 lives were lost here in the 20th and 21st centuries, with disappearances continuing to fuel speculation. 2. History of disappearances. The first notable case to capture the world's attention in connection with the Bermuda Triangle was the disappearance of a group of 5 training aircraft, known as the Flying Hunters 19. On December 5, 1945, these aircraft disappeared without a trace while performing a routine flight near the coast of Florida. Despite subsequent rescue efforts, neither the crew nor the aircraft were ever found. Another famous case was that of the ship Cyclops, a cargo ship that disappeared in March 1918 with 309 people on board, without leaving any clue as to where it disappeared. This ship, like many others, was reported missing inside the Bermuda Triangle, with no trace of the wreckage ever found. These cases, along with other similar disappearances, contributed to creating a phenomenon of panic and terror among sailors and pilots who crossed this region. Many of these disappearances never had a clear explanation and became the subject of much speculation. 3 theories and possible explanations. The Bermuda Triangle has given rise to a series of varied theories, some more rational, others completely fantastic. While most scientists tend to reject exotic and unfounded ideas, there are still many who are willing to explore the possibility of unusual phenomena that can explain the disappearances. A. Natural phenomena. One of the most plausible theories is that the disappearances are caused by natural phenomena, such as violent storms, ocean currents, or water holes. The sea is an extremely volatile environment, and fast-moving storms can lead to the loss of a ship or aircraft in a very short time. Ocean currents can also influence the speed and direction of a ship or aircraft, causing them to disappear without a trace. Another important factor is the water holes in the Atlantic Ocean, which are areas of rapidly deepening water where navigation is impossible. These areas are particularly dangerous for ships that can be pulled into unpredictable currents. B. Theories about explosive gases. An interesting theory claims that the Bermuda Triangle is located above massive deposits of methane underwater, which can be rapidly released into the air when disturbed by an underwater earthquake or a change in water temperature. These gases, being highly flammable, can cause a sudden explosion of a vessel or the crash of an airplane. See magnetic effects. Another theory is related to magnetic anomalies. It is assumed that the regions of the Bermuda Triangle are affected by intense magnetic fields, which can disturb the navigation instruments of airplanes and ships, causing them to deviate from their course and get lost without a trace. This magnetic field could also lead to calculation errors or loss of radar signal. Extraterrestrial intervention and paranormal theories. More exotic and less accepted theories by science include the idea that the Bermuda Triangle is a meeting place for extraterrestrial civilizations or even a portal to another dimension. These theories are fueled by science fiction literature and various accounts of the paranormal phenomenon. However, most researchers reject these theories as having no scientific basis. 4. Investigations and recent discoveries. Despite the interest and numerous investigations, there is no clear and definitive explanation for the disappearances in Bermuda Triangle. In recent years, researchers and divers have conducted several expeditions to the area, looking for evidence that could shed light on the mystery. Although shipwrecks and remains of ships have been discovered, no significant connection has been found between these discoveries and the theories circulating around the Bermuda Triangle. At the same time, technological advances in navigation and meteorology have helped reduce the number of disappearances, and today the regions around the Bermuda Triangle are much safer for navigation and flying.